Hi, it's Amber from Sweet Am's Cookies, and in this video I'll show you how to make these Easter egg chocolate lollipops. These can also be made with white chocolate, and I'll show you how to decorate them with royal icing flowers. Melt the chocolate wafers according to the instructions on the package. I melted these in the microwave. Spoon the melted candy into the egg mold. Tap the mold on the table to help get rid of any air bubbles and to smooth out the candy. Place the mold into the refrigerator until the candy is firm. This will take about 15 to 30 minutes. Now you can remove the eggs from the mold. If they don't come out easily, you might need to put them back into the refrigerator for a few more minutes. Dip the lollipop sticks into the melted candy and attach them to the back of the eggs. You can rest the stick on the edge of a sheet pan to keep it in place while the candy sets. These eggs were still cold, so this set up very quickly, but you can put yours back into the fridge. To make the flowers, I'm covering my work surface in a piece of wax paper. I'm piping the royal icing flowers directly onto the wax paper with the decorating tip 18. When you're piping these flowers, keep the tip in place and let the icing build up. Release the pressure on the bag before you pull it away. I made 4 flowers for every lollipop. You can also make some smaller ones like this. Use the green royal icing to pipe flower centers. You don't need a decorating tip on this bag, you can just cut a very small opening. Then set these aside to let the flowers dry for at least 4 hours. You can also let them dry overnight. Once they're dry, they'll peel right off of the wax paper. If they're not coming off easily, you might need to let them dry a little bit longer. I'm using white royal icing to pipe a bead border around the edge of the egg. To make leaves, cut a V shape in the tip of the green icing bag. Use the green icing to attach the flowers to the eggs. When you make your leaves, hold the bag so that the V-shape opening is on the sides and the point is facing up. Then squeeze the bag and let the icing build up around the sides. Release the pressure on the bag and pull away to create the shape of the leaf. Let the royal icing dry for about 2 hours before you package these lollipops. And then you can tie a ribbon around the stick if you like. And here are the finished chocolate lollipops. Thanks for watching. See you next time.